Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this episode, I'll demonstrate how you can apply an SSL certificate to your web page using Let's Encrypt. Let's Encrypt is a free service, but the only thing that you have to do is you have to renew that SSL certificate every 90 days. I'm going to apply Let's Encrypt SSL certificate to my VPS server here. This VPS server is running an Apache web service on the background. So I'm going to copy this IP address and use it on a browser. And as you can see, this domain, I guess, is not secure. It does not have HTTPS in it. So we'll apply that. Let's launch a Putty so that we can get a SSH connection into this server. Log in as root. So once you do that, you're going to have to run a series of commands, which is shown on the top right hand corner of this video here. So the first command that you're going to do is apt-get, which basically updates all your packages on your Ubuntu server. The next thing you're going to have to do is to install a Certabot client using this command here. This command is targeted for Apache. If you have any other web server, you're going to have to apply differently. I'll leave the command for each different types of web services in the comment section below. Once the Certabot client has been installed, you can test your Certabot client using the following command. If your Certabot has been installed correctly, this is the screen that you should be seeing. So the next thing you're going to have to do is to obtain a certificate and associate that with your domain name. The first entry you're going to have to do is enter your email address. Okay, the next thing is saying that do you agree with the terms and agreement? Say A for agree. And just say yes to receive email from Electronic Frontier. Next thing you're going to have to do is to enter your domain name, which is something.com, something.net, whatever you have registered. My domain name will be uigurung.com and hit enter. Once that's done, you select option number 2 to redirect all your requests to HTTPS to that domain. And that's it. That's all you have to do to set up SSL certificate to your web page. So next thing you have to do, let's test it out. We can actually use a domain name now, uigurungs.com. And you can see my Apache default web page is loaded and the connection is secured. I hope this tutorial helps. If it does, please thumbs up. Other than that, have a good day. Bye.